Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI, and I love serving charcuterie when my friends come over. I'm always looking for a great little board to use, and this one from hecef is so perfect.
I love having a variety of cheese boards to set out for people when I do a charcuterie. And this little acacia wood one from hecef is so perfect. It is just so pretty, and I love it that it comes with its own knife and fork that match. And acacia wood is just so beautiful and is nice and easy to clean. It's a really sturdy and functional piece of wood that is just the perfect little serving board. Oh, so whether you want to use it as the cheese board itself, or maybe you want to have it as a decorative item in your home, this thing is absolutely perfect. I think it would make an amazing housewarming gift. You know it's going to last for such a long time. It's really durable and high quality.
I think this is the perfect addition to add to your kitchen collection and serve charcuterie or gift this to someone. They will love it just like I do. And that's my point of view.